Morning.
How are you, Praveen?
I'm good, Akla. How are you?
I'm all right. Thank you, Praveen.
It's so
All
much
right.
session with you.
All right. So, where are you from, Praveen?
I am from Agra.
Okay. What do you
And what
do?
about you?
I'm from Kerala.
Kerala. Oh, great.
Yes, I think there's a delay in speech. I
Yeah.
think
So I am working in a media. Hello.
yes,
Is
go
it
on.
better now?
Yeah, I believe so. Yes. Go on, Praveen. You were saying something.
Okay. Yeah. So I was saying that I am working in a media or media channel.
Okay, media. All right, that's great. Oh, it's not there now. I think it's lagging a bit now. Anyways, very well. All right,
Okay.
that's great. So, what are the trouble that you face when it comes to talking in English, Praveen?
Most of the time, I uh, face a lack of vocabulary,
Mm-hmm.
and the major part that is I am facing problem is tense formation.
Tenses.
Like
Mm-hmm.
I use do in place of did,
Yes,
and I
yes, yes,
use
yes.
has instead of had.
Tense jumbling.
Yeah,
Yeah. I understand.
yeah, tense jumbling.
The biggest problem you're facing.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah,
So,
it's the biggest problem for me.
what all are you doing to improve your spoken English?
I started taking one-to-one classes on clapping book.
Mm-hmm.
Started reading books.
Okay.
Started listening uh, broadcast on English in English.
Listening to podcasts. Started listening to podcasts.
Yeah,
It's a two preposition
yeah.
two.
Started listening to podcast.
When we
Yeah,
tend
yeah.
to use listen, the word listen or listening, we tend to use to along with it. The preposition goes along with it.
Right.
Okay, right. So, Praveen, did you check the document out for the day?
Not no, not yet actually.
Okay. So today's topic is childhood. But you have an extempore before that. You ready for an extempore?
Childhood.
Yes. There's an extempore. Extempore is I give you topic and you talk about it for 2 to 3 minutes. I'll give you a couple of topics you can choose from it and talk about it for 2 to 3 minutes.
Right.
Okay. Two options.
Okay.
Option A, nothing is right, nothing is wrong. Everybody's got different perspective. Option B, unemployment. You can choose either one of this and talk about it.
Okay. So I'll go ahead with nothing is wrong, nothing is right.
Go on.
Okay. So I think it depends on situation. Maybe something is wrong with your perspective, and it may be right from my opinion and my perspective. So suppose I told you a story. It's uh, like a childhood story. So a teacher asked a student like Jem, I have two apple,
Mm-hmm. Two
and you
apples?
have, yeah, and you already have two apples. So how much apple do you have? So Jem said, I have five apples.
Yeah.
Then she again, no, I two apples you already have, and I am giving you two apples. So how many apples do you have? Then he again said, I have five apples.
Okay.
Then he switched the topic and he said, okay, let's change the topic. Like you have two mangoes and I give you two mango more. Then how many mango do you have? Then he said, I have four mango then. So he said,
Okay.
like when I giving you two mango and you have two mango, you giving the right answer. You said four. But when I asking you about apple, then why you said five apples? So he said, ma'am, I already have one apple at my fridge, so like
Oh, in
it's
my
five.
fridge. I already have one
Yeah,
apple in my fridge. Yeah.
yeah, I have one apple in my fridge. So that's in that way I have five apples.
Yeah,
So
yeah. Okay.
we can say he's also right in their perspective, and ma'am is
Yes.
also right.
Yes,
Yeah, so it
exactly.
depends on the situations and the opinion actually.
Yes, exactly right, isn't it? And I think
Yeah,
if we start seeing things through other people's perspective,
right,
the world will be a better place. There won't be any war. There won't be that much of a violence.
exactly.
Yeah. You just have to understand them. Right. Okay, good.
Maybe you are seeing any scene or any, so maybe you seen that they are fighting, or maybe it would like a shooting for movies. So you can't say
Yes,
without
yes, it would
any.
be. You can say if you see, if you know, no, you're not using the, you're not using if to,
Yeah, if you see.
express your opinion. If, so it's like
Okay,
condition. If,
right, right.
so you're not using it. If you see someone fighting, maybe it's a movie shoot or something. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
like that, right? Okay. So, the main topic is childhood for today, Praveen. What do
Okay.
you miss about your childhood the most?
So I can say the most I miss about my childhood is freedom,
Freedom. Okay.
and we could do whatever we want,
Mm-hmm.
and no worries, no competition, and also we are not envious about anything.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Yes. We were not past
We
because you're a
we
child.
were
We
not
were not.
envious about anything. Yeah, we were not
Yes.
envious about anything. Yeah, so everyone in our childhood support every
Support.
student and every.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, in these days, as I can say, we are living in a dog eats dog world.
What is it? What is it?
Dog eats dog.
Dog eats dog kind of a world. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah. So,
yeah.
your childhood. What was the? Can you share with me any memorable moment which happened in your childhood? The most memorable moment from childhood.
You exactly. I couldn't recall actually.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So you were naughty. You were a naughty boy when you were a child.
No, actually, I was not naughty.
Oh, you were a nice boy. You were just very nice boy, I believe.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
So could you tell me something about? Do you remember? Did you remember?
what is it?
Tell me something that you remembered about your childhood.
Well, I used to be a very naughty girl. I used to be too naughty. I used to always fight with everyone and fight with my sister, beat her, punch her. I don't even know what I was. I was so naughty, extremely naughty. And I remember one incident where my father used to work in Dubai. Okay, so back in the
Okay.
days we didn't have any phone and all that. So if we had to see each other, we had to take picture and send it to him. Okay.
Okay.
So when we were younger, I was about 3 years old. So she used to take us for taking pictures, okay, in the studio. And when she takes us, my mom, when she takes us for pictures, I used to, threaten her like, if you don't buy me chocolate, I will start crying when they take picture. And she's forced to buy me chocolate. So in all my
Like
childhood pictures, I have a chocolate in my hand. I was
like you were
around.
blackmailing her.
Yeah, I was threatening her actually. I will start
Oh,
crying, okay, if you don't do it, or else I'll run out. I'll make a mess.
okay.
Right, that's the thing. What about you? Have you done anything naughty in your childhood?
I think not. So
You were a silent boy, is it?
I was silent boy.
Okay. So do
I
you have
am silent actually.
any? Okay.
I am a little what introvert. So
Mhm.
it was difficult for me to made mistake and to do
It was
mischievous and all that.
it was difficult for me to commit a mistake or make a mistake. It
Okay.
was difficult for me to make a mistake. Would be better, not made mistake.
Okay. It was difficult to me for make mistake. To make mistake or for make mistake.
See, it was difficult for me to make a mistake, to do something wrong like that.
Okay. Okay.
Right. Okay. So, if you could change something from your childhood, what would you change?
I want to change like as I did my schooling from a Hindi medium. So the first thing that I want to change, I want to do my schooling from a convent school actually.
Okay, so that your English would be more in place, it'd be better.
Right, exactly, exactly. I think in convent school we got a more exposure and all. Your video got stuck actually.
Yeah, actually, I was switching my Wi-Fi to my mobile data. Sorry for that. Okay,
Okay, no
Praveen.
problem. No.
Yes. So, yeah, you would change the fact that you studied in non-convent school. You would have
Right.
gone to convent school. Well, I studied in a convent school, but that really did not help me with my English, to be honest. Because my friends, they don't talk in, they don't talk in good English like me.
Okay. So since when you started talking in English?
Yeah, I've been talking. Even in convent school, we used to try to talk in English, but I really started talking in English after 12th standard.
12th.
Yeah, yes, after 12th standard. Till then, yeah, I
Okay.
used to have good English, yes. But then really good English that I have now, yes, only after 12th. And only after me talking to different people, meeting new people, talking to them, I got the
Right.
opportunity after 12th for that. So that's when I started talking in English in a good manner.
So at home, it's atmosphere to talk in English or not?
No, at home we talk in our native language, Malayalam.
Malayalam, right?
That's the thing. Right.
Okay.
Yes, Praveen. So what about you? At home, you talk in Hindi or you
No,
talk
at
in
home we talk in our native language. It's a Braj Bhasa. So
Uh-huh. Okay.
if you know about Sri Krishna and
Yes.
so it's a Braj Bhasa actually.
Oh wow. Can you say something? You know, I'm just curious.
Okay, so
Breakfast.
you tell me anything. I'll speak
Okay.
in my way.
Okay. What did you eat for breakfast?
तुमने खाने में क्या खाया?
Oh, okay, okay. I know, I know. I love it. You know, I've heard this.
Yeah,
There used to be a serial. Me and my parents used to watch Hindi serial about Krishna and all that. And in that
right,
serial,
right.
they used to talk like this. It's so
Yeah.
sweet to listen to that. It's got a
So
very nice
it's
flow. Yeah,
thank
yeah,
you.
yeah. That's the thing, Praveen. So, but I forgot where are you from? Right now, you're in Bangalore, is it? No?
Agra, Agra. I am from Agra.
Agra, Agra, okay.
Yeah,
So Pratibhasa is a language in Agra, is it?
Agra, Mathura. Yeah,
Mathura. Yes, Mathura, the birthplace of Krishna. Lovely,
right.
lovely.
So have you ever been to Mathura?
No, I've never. But my grandma, yeah, she's been to Mathura, but I've never been to Mathura. The
Okay.
only north side I've been to is Rajasthan.
I think you must visit Agra and
I know,
Mathura once in
I know.
your life.
I really have to. I really want to as well. Well, with God's grace, hopefully someday. Yeah. And you need to
Yeah.
visit South India as well. South India is a
Yeah,
beautiful.
it's in my bucket list to visit Kerala actually.
It's a beautiful place. Lovely. It's quite
Yeah,
different compared to other states. Yes,
exactly.
I
Kerala is
think
very,
we.
very beautiful.
I think we only have 1 more minute for a session to.
Okay, so please give me
Yeah.
a feedback. I'll
Yeah.
implement it.
My feedback would be, see, like you mentioned, you do have the tense jumbling, but other than that, you are trying to frame good sentences. It's just, the tense jumbling is affecting your fluency. And also, you tend to use a lot of pauses, like you're breaking the sentences, what you're forming. Yeah, you're using a lot of and the sound as a
Right.
filler sound. You're using quite a lot. So even if you're making a good sentence, it's not showing through. The confidence is not showing through because you're breaking the sentences. See, it's
Okay.
like your Pratibhasa language. It's a flow. English is also it's a language that flows. It's so rhythmic to listen to. So when
Yes.
we break it, when we are breaking, when we're using a lot of sound in between, it makes you lose that fluency. So I want you to
Yeah.
work on that because you
Okay.
tend to space everything apart. Let's say I am going to the market, like you're having a spacing in between words,
Okay.
the
Okay.
sound. So instead, it should be like I'm going to the market, same speed, but everything is together. Everything is all together. It's merged together words. You should not space it
Okay.
apart.
Right.
That's my feedback. Just by talking to more and more people, you will be better. You need that experience. That's what it is. That's what I feel like.
Yeah.
Hmm? Do you have anything to ask me, Praveen? Do you have any doubts?
Most of the time, I translate the sentences from Hindi to English, so that's why
Hmm.
it's a lack in